Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing here, with a quick look at the July issue of our magazine. As the manufacturing world continues to evolve and every business continues to face workforce challenges, an increasing number of finishing operations are embracing automation solutions for some of their processes. This issue, we're focusing on automation for finishers, where it makes sense and where traditional ways of doing things are still the best. In our cover story, we look at software for self-programming autonomous robotics that could transform the way finishing shops think about automation. We also explore considerations for automating various operations within a finishing system, especially with regard to racking and conveying of parts. Our technical feature this month offers quick tips for improving the efficiency of rectifier maintenance. Don't miss our announcement of the 2022 plating and anodizing top shops from our annual benchmarking survey and an interview with this year's first place shop in the category. You'll also find our quarterly parts cleaning section, offering insights for choosing and setting up the cleaning process, as well as a recap of what happened at this year's SURFIN, the National Association for Surface Finishing's trade show for the finishing industry. As always, you'll find helpful Ask the Experts columns on a wide range of troubleshooting and best practice topics, as well as insightful columns and coverage of news, innovations, and industry trends. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.